Hey guys, it's Nukid from Nukid.com, and Tecno just launched the Camon X and X Pro in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Camon X Pro and giving you my initial thoughts as well as the differences between the two. So stick to the end. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button below to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video drops. The Camon X Pro comes in a familiar black themed box and it has some of the specs on it. In the box, you're first greeted with the phone, and it has a screen protector applied. Underneath that, you have your SIM ejector tool locked in an envelope which contains your warranty card, specification manual, Boomplay music card, and user manual in many languages. Tecno generously included a 360-degree protective case which has never shipped with any phone before now to the best of my knowledge. You get a 5V 2A charger, a micro USB cable, and proprietary earphones. Now to the device. On the front, you have a 2160 by 1080p resolution on a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. On top of the display, you have the 24-megapixel camera, a front-firing speaker, and dual flash. On the back, you have a 16-megapixel camera, quad flash, and a fingerprint sensor. On the left, you have nothing. On the right, you have a power button, volume rocker, and a 3-in-1 tray that houses 2 nano SIMs and 1 SD card. On the top, there is nothing either. On the bottom, you have a speaker, a micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Camon X Pro uses the MTK Helio P23 octa-core chipset clocked at 2.0 GHz and is powered by a 3750 mAh battery. It comes in 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM. The TECNO Camon X and X Pro take its design cues from the Phantom 8 with its unibody design. The midnight black variant comes with golden accents along the antenna bands and all the way around the sides. Without several taps, I never would have guessed it was made of plastic. The display of the Camon X Pro does stand out with its reduced bezels and rounded corners. When placed side by side its predecessor, the Camon CX and the Phantom 8 flagship, it clearly has the best screen-to-body ratio. It's very light in the hand, and that took me by surprise, given that the 3750 mAh battery is bigger than what most phones use these days. The camera is one of the key selling points of the Camon X Pro, and Tecno has tipped the scale with a 24-megapixel sensor on the front. They've included the portrait mode feature for the front-facing shots as well, which is clearly geared towards the selfie lovers. More to come in my full review. The Camon X Pro ships with the latest version of Android 8.1 Oreo and HiOS version 3.3. With it came Face ID, a new way to unlock your phone. We recall Camon C9 having iris scanner, but the Face ID is a lot faster. I will be putting this phone through camera, battery, and speed test in my full review, which I will be leaving in the description box below or somewhere above. I got this device over a week before the launch, so be on the lookout for that review video. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing and first impressions. If you did, leave a thumbs up and let me know what devices you would like me to compare with the Camon X Pro in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Peace.